Hi guys, I was inspired to do another video, but this time I want to show you guys all of my Sassy Chic fun and easy press-on nails. This is my whole collection. Some of them are duplicates, some of them I got 2 and 3s, different designs, different styles, different colors, the LA colors as well, different designs. I'm gonna go through each and every one of them. And I also got one of the stickers, which quite honestly I was not too thrilled about it. I tried a few of these and they actually look like wallpaper for your nails, and they don't even last. So this is just okay. So I started my collection, I want to say maybe 6 months ago. Oh, I have this lip gloss. I'll get back to it. This is my LA colors. I'll get back to it because this is what I'm wearing today. This is one of the styles. You see that it's like purple with little silver stripes around it. And honestly, the Sassy Chic, they're the best ones. I love these. I use their glue, the Sassy Chic glue. They last me about a week and a half. They're wonderful. I don't feel like my nails become weak after I take them off. Very easy to apply. I pretty much wash my hands, I prepare my nails, I'll buff them out, and then I apply the glue on top. But I also want to tell you, going back to this before I forget, these right here by Nail Medic. I just tried these and I just found these about a few days ago at the Dollar Tree. This is the plumping top coat. I think they have a 1, 2, 3 step. This is the second step, I believe. And this one was wonderful. I put it on my cuticles. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I'm putting it back a little so it could focus. Nail Cuticle Energizer. This was wonderful. I tried it. I think it's by Nail Medic, yes. What does the back say? Pretty Woman. Made in the USA. LLC. Okay, and this is the glue that I use. The Sassy Chic one. And then there's also this one that you can try. I have not tried this one yet, actually. This is the pink nail glue. And I use the buffer. It's a little worn out, but this is the Sassy Chic buffer that I use to prepare my nails. Okay, going back to my collection. This is like a little Aztec tribal style. You saw this one, it's the black with the lace. Okay. This one I said it was not so great, the stickers. This is purple, kind of like the ombre style. These are the glow in the dark. This one is also the glow in the dark. This is the burgundy with pink. What else? This is like reminds me like of planets. It's pretty cool. This is just a plain pink, and then the line is more like a little bit glittery. You see that, like a little silver glitter. That one's pretty. This one is like Anchor, Nautical, Summertime. That's what it kind of reminds me of. This is a blue with the silver. Cute. This is the LA colors. I was not too thrilled about these. I tried these and the material is not as great as the Sassy Chic. They're kind of paper thin. They kind of start to peel after a day or two, so not too great compared to the Sassy Chic. And this is kind of just a whole section of the French kind of style, the purple. And then I have these for, so this is like summertime, with the flowers and the flamingo. This is like leopard with neon green. This is also another leopard, summertime. And this is all the French ones with the cheetah with the white line. These are pretty. Pink flower. This is neon green. This one is so pretty with the butterflies. I think this one looks really pretty. The blue, the bright blue. This one is really cool. With the different styles. Black and white. This one. And these I love because they're the pointy ones. So I got the red. This is doubles. Blue, pink, and this one is fun. This is like the ombre. This one I can only find one. Really pretty. These are not Sassy Chics, but the quality is good for $1. Pretty good. This is like chrome. See that? It kind of looks like different colors. And that's it. This is my press-on nail collection. I've gotten so many compliments. Everyone thinks I get my nails done. I used to get my nails done, but paying $45 when I could just do it for $1. You know, I'm a mom, I'm on the go, I don't have time, work full time, so this is perfect for me. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna turn you guys around. Okay, I don't think I can. I wanted to show you the lip gloss that I had mentioned before. This one right here. I actually love this color. What color is it? Can you see? Dreamy. It's really pretty. Alright. So this was my second video. I kind of got inspired quickly. I know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. These are all my nails, my press-on nail collection by Sassy Chic and LA Colors. And the other brands is just fashion nails. Alright. Bye guys.